Hey everyone! Today we'll be making this miniature witch hat. It measures about 3.5 inches tall and 3 inches wide, so if you're interested, follow along. For the first round, start by working 4 single crochet in a magic circle. I've learned and adapted this magic circle technique from Happy Berry Crochet, and her channel will be linked down below. Once you created the magic circle, work the 4 single crochet and close out the loop. The total stitch count for this round is 4. For rounds 2 and 3, work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Stitch count remains 4 for these 2 rounds. Round 4, work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then work an increase in the following. Repeat this once more. The total stitch count of this round is 6 stitches. For rounds 5 and 6, work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Stitch count remains 6 for each of these 2 rounds. Round 7, work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then work an increase in the following stitch. You will repeat this twice more. The total stitch count for this round is 9. Pause to remove any pet hair that may be on your working project. For round 8, work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Stitch count remains 9. In round 9, work 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, then work an increase in the following. Repeat this twice more. The total stitch count is 12. For round 10, work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Stitch count remains 12. Round 11, work 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, then work an increase in the following. Repeat this twice more. The total stitch count is 15. For round 12, work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Stitch count remains 15. Round 13, work 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches, then work an increase in the following. Repeat this twice more. Total stitch count for this round is 18. For round 14, work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Stitch count remains 18. Slip stitch to close round 14, then chain 1. Round 15, in the front loop only, work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then work an increase in the following. Repeat this all the way around. Slip stitch to finish the round, and the total stitch count is 27. Round 16, start with a chain 1. Resume working in both loops. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then work an increase in the following. Repeat this all the way around. Slip stitch to finish off the round. The total stitch count is 40. With the black yarn, slip stitch around the brim of the hat. Weave in the tail once you're done. Optional step: stop to admire your work. With some yellow or gold yarn, embroider in a simple buckle. Secure and weave in the tail once you're done. Here's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed making these as much as I did. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching.